This spring, Lost Valley Education Center, a long-standing leader in the field of holistic education, is once again teaming up with permaculture co-originator David Holmgren, native elder Dan Wapapa, and many of the nation's top instructors to offer a hands-on and in-person permaculture design course. We will gather each Saturday on our 87-acre campus to cover the core curriculum of our 72-hour certification. This course also offers a unique Sunday option for deeper hands-on immersion on land that has been tended for many generations past. Learn more about decolonization and the ethics and principles of permaculture, resilient plant communities, soil microbiology, animal partnerships and closed-loop systems, and more. If you feel the call to learn more about what awaits you here, please visit lostvalley.org.